Did you know that most diesel sold in America isn't strong enough to keep your engine clean? That's right. Low-quality diesel can clog injectors, coat valves with carbon, and reduce fuel efficiency, leaving you with costly repairs over time. Many drivers think all diesel is the same, but using the wrong fuel is like slowly choking your engine every mile. In this video, we're counting down the 7 worst diesel fuels in America, the ones that might save you a few cents per gallon, but could cost you hundreds in maintenance. Later, we'll reveal the 5 best diesel fuels that actually protect your engine, keep it running smooth, and help it last longer. Whether you drive a truck, SUV, or any diesel vehicle, knowing which fuels to avoid and which to trust can make a huge difference for performance and longevity. So buckle up because we're starting the countdown, and the first brand on our list may surprise you. Let's kick things off with number 7, Pilot Diesel. Pilot diesel stations are everywhere along highways, and truckers often rely on them for convenience. But convenience comes with a catch. Multiple reports show that Pilot Diesel can have inconsistent detergent levels, water contamination, and sediment in storage tanks. Engines running this fuel often show rough idling, hesitation under load, or clogged fuel filters. In some cases, drivers fill up and notice performance drops within just a few hundred miles. Diesel injectors can wear faster, and filters can clog, leaving your engine struggling to breathe. This is especially true for trucks with modern diesel engines. They rely heavily on clean fuel to stay efficient. Pilot Diesel may be cheap and easy to find, but your engine is paying the price every mile. Number 6 on our list is Love's Diesel. If you've ever been on a long haul, you've probably seen their bright yellow signs everywhere. Truckers rely on Love's for 24/7 access, but convenience doesn't always mean quality. Love's Diesel has a history of contamination issues and inconsistent additive levels. Water and dirt can sneak into underground tanks, which leads to sludge buildup in fuel filters and injectors. Over time, this makes engines run rough, lose power, or even stall on the road. A nightmare if you're driving a heavy-duty diesel truck. Many drivers report that after filling up at Love's, their trucks experience hesitation under load, clogged injectors, or reduced fuel efficiency. The problem isn't always obvious right away, but over weeks of regular use, these tiny deposits slowly choke your engine. Even though Love's Diesel is widely available and often cheaper than premium brands, it's a gamble every time you fill up. You might save a few cents per gallon, but repairs from clogged injectors or fuel system damage can easily cost hundreds of dollars. If your engine is your livelihood, this is one risk you don't want to take. Coming in at number 5 is Sonoco Diesel. Sonoco might seem like a familiar, trustworthy brand. You see it everywhere along highways, but their regular diesel isn't always as clean as it looks. The main problem? Weak detergent levels and inconsistent fuel quality. Diesel engines rely on detergents to prevent carbon buildup on injectors and valves, and when those additives are low, deposits form quickly. Over time, this can cause rough idling, reduced throttle response, and lower fuel efficiency. Sonoco's diesel fuel can also carry water or sediment, especially in older storage tanks. This contamination leads to clogged fuel filters and injectors, which puts extra stress on your engine and can cause premature wear. Many drivers notice hesitation or even minor stalling after filling up at certain Sonoco stations. The brand's visibility can be misleading. Just because it's widely available doesn't mean it's safe for your engine. Choosing the wrong diesel here might save a few cents at the pump, but it can cost hundreds in repairs over time. If you want your truck to run smoothly, Sonoco Diesel is one to be cautious about. Number 4 on our list is Wawa's Diesel. Wawa is a popular convenience brand in the US, but their diesel fuel isn't always top-notch. Drivers often assume that a well-known name means clean fuel, but in reality, Wawa Diesel can fall short on additives that keep engines healthy. Diesel engines need strong detergents to prevent carbon buildup on injectors and valves. Without them, deposits form faster, leading to rough idling, reduced fuel economy, and sluggish throttle response. Wawa Diesel sometimes doesn't meet the levels modern diesel engines require, especially for heavy-duty trucks. Another concern is tank contamination. Water, sediment, or old fuel can linger in storage tanks, causing clogged filters and injectors. Drivers who rely on Wawa for long trips have reported hard starts, hesitation, or loss of power shortly after filling up. It's easy to fall into the trap of saving a few cents per gallon, but those small savings can quickly turn into hundreds of dollars in repairs. If you want your diesel engine to last longer and run smoother, Wawa Diesel is one brand you should approach with caution. Number 3 on our list is HEB Diesel. H-E-B is a well-known grocery and convenience store chain in Texas, but their diesel fuel often falls short in protecting modern diesel engines. The biggest issue is low detergent content. Diesel engines depend on detergents to keep injectors, valves, and combustion chambers clean. Without enough, carbon buildup forms quickly, causing rough idling, sluggish throttle response, and even reduced fuel efficiency. Over time, this can put serious stress on your engine and shorten its lifespan. Another common problem with HEB diesel is tank contamination. Underground storage tanks can accumulate water or sediment, which gets mixed into the fuel. This can lead to clogged fuel filters, injector damage, and hard starts, leaving you stranded or facing costly repairs. While HEB diesel may be convenient and sometimes cheaper than premium options, the savings at the pump can cost you big in maintenance. For drivers who depend on their diesel engines for work or long trips, it's a risk that isn't worth taking. Choosing a diesel fuel with proper additives and consistent quality is the smarter move. Number 2 on our list is QT Diesel. QT, short for QuikTrip, is a popular convenience chain, but their diesel fuel often fails to meet the standards needed for modern diesel engines. The main concern is inconsistent detergent levels. Diesel engines need strong detergents to keep injectors, valves, and pistons clean. Without them, carbon deposits build up quickly, causing rough idling, sluggish acceleration, and reduced fuel efficiency. Over time, this can lead to serious engine problems and expensive repairs. Another problem with QT diesel is water and sediment contamination. Older storage tanks or delivery issues can introduce moisture and dirt into the fuel. That means clogged filters, injector damage, and poor engine performance, sometimes right after filling up. Drivers report hesitation, sputtering, and even minor stalling on the road. While QT diesel may seem convenient and easy to find, the risks outweigh the savings. A few cents per gallon won't matter if you end up paying hundreds for fuel system repairs. For anyone relying on a diesel engine for work or long trips, quality fuel with consistent additives is the only safe choice. Topping our list of the worst diesel fuels is Valero diesel. This brand may fly under the radar compared to big names, but its fuel quality can be one of the worst for diesel engines. Valero diesel is notorious for low detergent content, which means injectors, valves, and pistons get coated with carbon faster than they should. Engines running on this fuel often show rough idle, sluggish throttle response, and reduced fuel economy. Left unchecked, this buildup can lead to serious long-term engine damage. On top of that, Valero's storage and handling practices aren't always reliable. Water and sediment can mix with the fuel, causing clogged filters, injector failures, and even stalling. Drivers who think they're saving money are often paying for it later with costly repairs. Valero diesel may be cheaper or easier to find in some areas, but for anyone serious about keeping their diesel engine healthy and reliable, it's one brand to avoid entirely. Your engine depends on clean, additive-rich diesel to perform at its best, and Valero simply doesn't deliver that. Now that we've covered the worst, let's talk about diesel fuels that actually protect your engine. Starting with number 5, Smith's Diesel. Smith's Diesel isn't just widely available, it's built with additives that help keep your engine clean. Strong detergents in the fuel help prevent carbon buildup on injectors, valves, and pistons, which keeps engines running smooth and responsive. Drivers who use Smith's regularly often notice smoother idling, better throttle response, and more consistent fuel efficiency. Another advantage is consistent quality. Unlike some brands that source fuel from multiple suppliers with varying additive levels, Smith's Diesel is monitored closely to ensure every gallon meets a high standard. That means fewer surprises for drivers and less risk of clogged filters or injectors. Even heavy-duty trucks benefit from Smith's Diesel. With modern engines, clean fuel is essential to prevent performance loss and long-term wear. While it may cost slightly more than the cheapest options at the pump, the protection and peace of mind you get far outweigh the small extra cost. If you want your diesel engine to last longer and run reliably, Smith's Diesel is a solid choice. Number 4 on our list of best diesel fuels is BJ's Diesel. BJ's isn't just a warehouse brand, it's a reliable choice for keeping diesel engines clean and healthy. The key advantage of BJ's Diesel is its strong detergent package, which helps prevent carbon buildup on injectors, valves, and pistons. This keeps engines running smoothly, improves fuel efficiency, and reduces wear over time. Drivers who stick with BJ's often notice smoother starts, consistent power under load, and fewer issues with clogged filters. Another plus is quality consistency. BJ's Diesel comes from suppliers that meet strict standards, meaning each fill-up delivers fuel with reliable additives. Unlike discount or convenience brands, you're not gambling on the tank you get. You know the fuel is designed to protect your engine. For truckers and daily drivers alike, BJ's Diesel offers dependable performance without breaking the bank. While it may cost slightly more than the cheapest diesel options, the savings in maintenance and repairs over time make it a smart choice. If you want fuel that actually works with your engine rather than against it, BJ's Diesel is one of the safer bets at the pump. Number 3 on our best diesel list is ExxonMobil Diesel. This brand is known for consistent, high-quality diesel that keeps engines running strong. ExxonMobil Diesel uses a carefully formulated detergent package that prevents carbon buildup on injectors, valves, and pistons. That means smoother idling, reliable throttle response, and improved fuel efficiency. Engines fueled primarily with ExxonMobil often stay cleaner and last longer, even under heavy-duty use. One of the biggest benefits is uniform quality across stations. No guessing which tank has better fuel. Every ExxonMobil station follows strict standards to ensure each gallon meets top-tier diesel requirements. That consistency reduces the risk of clogged filters or damaged injectors, giving drivers peace of mind on long trips or daily work. ExxonMobil Diesel is slightly more expensive than discount fuels, but the long-term protection and performance gains more than make up for the cost. For anyone who depends on their diesel engine for work, hauling, or travel, this brand is a reliable choice that keeps maintenance worries low. Number 2 on our best diesel fuel list is Shell Diesel. Shell has built a reputation for high-quality fuel that actually protects diesel engines. The secret is their advanced detergent technology, which keeps injectors, valves, and pistons clean. This helps prevent carbon buildup, rough idling, and poor throttle response, keeping your engine running smoothly for longer. Drivers notice consistent performance, better fuel efficiency, and fewer maintenance issues when regularly using Shell Diesel. Another advantage is reliable fuel quality. Every Shell station follows strict standards to ensure that every gallon delivers the same additive protection. That means you won't run into inconsistent fuel that clogs filters or damages injectors, a problem common with cheaper diesel brands. For truckers, fleet owners, or anyone relying on a diesel engine, Shell Diesel provides peace of mind on long trips or daily use. It may cost a bit more than discount options, but the long-term savings from reduced wear and repairs are worth it. Choosing Shell means investing in engine longevity, smooth performance, and fewer roadside headaches. Topping our best diesel fuel list is Chevron Diesel. Chevron is known for its high-performance diesel that protects engines and keeps them running like new. The key is Chevron's strong detergent package, which scrubs carbon deposits off injectors, valves, and pistons as you drive. This prevents buildup that can cause rough idling, sluggish throttle, and poor fuel economy, helping engines perform at their best for hundreds of thousands of miles. Chevron Diesel also has consistent, top-tier quality. Every station follows strict standards, so you know exactly what you're getting with every fill-up, no guessing or luck of the draw. Your fuel will always have the right additives to protect your engine. Truckers, fleet owners, and daily drivers all benefit from Chevron Diesel's reliability. While it may cost a little more than the cheapest options, the long-term savings in repairs and maintenance make it worth every penny. Choosing Chevron Diesel means giving your engine the best protection possible, smoother performance, and peace of mind on every mile. That's it. These are the diesel fuels that protect your engine and the ones to avoid at all costs. Want to see part 1, where we reveal 7 more worst brands and 5 more top picks? Click the link on your screen now, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss tips to keep your diesel engine running strong.